So hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be teaching you how to add music to your Spotify on your iOS devices. So let's get right into it. So first off, we launch our Spotify application in your iOS device. And as you can see here, it's already launched. So as you can see here, you have a lot of choices to go through. So let's just say you want to add music to your Spotify. But first off, a reminder, I just want to tell you that you're supposed to be having Spotify Premium to get this feature, downloading your music on your phone. Because if you don't, you cannot play music offline on your Spotify without the premium feature. So right here, let's just say you want to add some music right here. So let's just go to a random one. So let's just say you want to go to top 50 music and you want to download this music right here. Maybe your choice. So you see this download button right here in the middle of your screen right beside the plus button. We just press that right there. And there you go. It's being downloaded and added to your library as we speak. And there you go. You will see it right here. It's already downloaded. And once you have been offline or you don't have internet connection, you can always play it right by your side and whenever you need to. And that's how you play music to your Spotify and add music to your Spotify using your iOS devices. Thank you for watching.